Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Okay, with the light on up there, it gets pretty hot, so I'm going to turn that light off. You'll have enough light to see me up there. I don't know if you'll be able to see everything I do, but then maybe I do something I don't want you to see. Okay. Good enough. That's hanging pretty loose. That's okay. That's kind of warm. I think I'll let it go. I was gonna let it hang on the cable, but I changed my mind. A bit warmer than I want to hold on to. turn into a problem. The bolt is up against the rafter. And pulling things tight. So I have to thin down the head on this bolt. I think it's going to work. I need some more carriage bolts. I have misplaced them. So I have a feeling I have to empty off the top of the radial arm saw, which has gotten totally cluttered with this project. I tried to keep everything I could over there, but it's expanded onto that little bench and it's just growing. So tomorrow, I'm going to come out and see if I can't find those carriage bolts, because I have them. There's no point buying more. I don't need more 6-inch carriage bolts. I didn't want 6-inch to start with. I wanted to have 5-inch carriage bolts. But really what I need is a carriage bolt this long, which is 4-inch. So, going through all that, I'm going to end up finding those carriage bolts or not. If I don't find them, I'll have to go get some. But I have 4 of them that I have to put up into that. Excuse me, I have 6 of them I have to put up into that piece of track up there. And I only have 4, so I'm 2 short. And I'll still need to have bolts to put the other side of the building up. I bought it all at the same time. I counted how many brackets I had. I multiplied, and I should be right. But you never know. Mistakes happen. In any case, I've got the hoist ready to go up onto the track. I've got the trolleys on it, all up and lined up. Ready to roll. And when I get those up and get the trolley up, I'm going to start moving some things around over here and get that area cleared out over there so I can put the ladder up and put those tracks up over on that side. That's been a clutter since, well, that was the first side that I got the siding done on. And I piled up stuff over there from the very first day I started putting on siding. So it's been kind of a clutter. But it's going to get thinned out. Things are going to get put away. I have racks, I have a hoist to mount to lift things, and I have places to put them. So that's going to happen. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.